Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.2 of chapter construction. In this exercise, we will learn how to make the triangles with the given length, angle and the sum of the other two sides. So in the previous class you already have learned that how to draw the triangle if three sides are known to you or if two sides are known to you and one angle is known to you. Now we will learn how to draw a triangle if the sum of the two sides are given to you. So first of all, we need to draw BC is equals to 7 centimeter. So here I have drawn BC is equals to 7 centimeter. On that angle B is 75 degree. I have already drawn angle B 75 degree. How I have drawn, I will explain you in brief. This is an angle of 90 degree, 60, 120, bisector of 60 and 120 is 90. So this is 90 degree, this point, and this point is my 0 degree. Let it be point D and E. So this DE is the 90 degree. Fine. This is 0, 90. Now I will take this as F because I need to bisect 60 to 90 because I want 75 degree. So this is 60 degree, this is 90. So I have drawn the bisector of this. So it will give me the angle of 75 degree. Now what should I need to do? AB plus AC is the 13 centimeter. The sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. So first of all, we will extend this line up to 13 centimeter. Let's draw an arc of 13 centimeter here with the help of your compass. Now what you have to do, you have to name this point P, right? And then you need to join this P to C with the help of pencil and scale like this. Now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. Open your compass, more than half, draw one arc up, one arc down. So here are the two arcs which I have drawn. Now join their intersection points. So this is this and this. So wherever this will join this P to B, this line bisector will join this PB, it will be your point A of the triangle. Then what you need to do, you have to just join your A to C and then you can check that your AC plus AB will be 13 centimeter. I am checking. So this is 5.5 centimeter here. Sorry, this is 8 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. So 8 plus 5 will give you 13 centimeter. You can check that. This is 5 centimeter and this is your 8 centimeter. So their sum is 13 centimeter. Now we will start with the question number 2. In the question number 2, the difference is given to you instead of the plus. AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. Again, you have to draw line BC. It is of 8 centimeter. Angle B is 45 degree, which is half of 0 to 90 degree. And then you have to mark the difference 3.5 centimeter. So it is the 3.5 centimeter I have drawn with the help of the arc. You have to open your arc up to 3.5 centimeter, taking B as a center, draw an arc of radius 3.5 centimeter. Now AB minus AC is 3.5. So of course my A will be lying outside this line, not inside. Earlier it was lying inside this line. Now it will lie outside this arc. Now what you need to do, you have to again join with this arc like we have done. The method is same. In the question number 1, you have to join, name this point P. You have to take the perpendicular bisector of PC once again. Now where it will meet outside, that will be your point A. This is how you are going to draw the perpendicular bisector. You have to draw from P to P and C, not B and C, right? See, you have to extend this such that it will meet your this line. If you want to extend this, if you need to extend this, you have to extend it. So this is my point A, which is lying outside. Then you need to join your A to C. So this is your A, B, and this is your This is your AB, this is your AC, and this is your BC. You can check that the difference of AB and AC will be 3.5 centimeters. So with this, our two questions are finished. Students, please draw it neatly in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.